Let's learn some new words. 1. Citizen. A citizen is a member of a community, state, or country. 2. Difference. When people make a difference, they do something that helps others. 3. Kind. Someone who is kind is nice, caring, or gentle. 4. Guards. If someone guards something, he or she watches over and protects it. 5. Serious. If you are serious, you do not joke around or play. 6.
Carefree.
If you are carefree, you are free of worries. 7. Guide. To guide means to show someone which way to go. 8. Images. Images are pictures of something. 9. Munch. When you munch food, you chew it loudly and completely. 10. Bellowed. If you bellowed, you shouted in a loud, deep voice. 11. Rough. When you do something in a rough way, you are not being gentle. 12. Handle. When you cannot handle something, you are not able to deal with it. 13. Cool. To cool how you feel means to calm down. 14. Bounce. When you bounce, you move up and down. 15. Grinned. If you grinned, you smiled a wide smile. 16. Might. Doing something with all your might is using all your power.